2025 Prelim RS High School Paper 2, Question 13. The graph below shows the number of cakes baked by oven A and oven B. There was an order for 540 cakes to be baked. In the first 30 minutes, cake were baked in both oven A and oven B. First 30 minutes, A and B. Then oven A broke down. In the next 2 hours, only oven B continued to bake cakes at the same rate. Okay. These are all only oven B. Okay, now let's fill in the number of cakes baked. 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gaps. 3 gaps give us 12 cakes. So each gap is 12 divided by 3, so 4 cakes. Right, so this is 28. This is 44. 60. 76. 92. How many cakes could oven A bake in 1 hour? Now let's calculate B in half an hour. B in half an hour, we can easily take 44 minus 28. Okay. Any other numbers on the chart is fine too. 44 minus 28 equals to 16. So between 8 to 8:30, B bakes 16 cakes. So A in half an hour is equals to 28 minus away the 16, that gives us 12. So A bakes 12 cakes in half an hour. So A in 1 hour equals to 12 times 2. That's 24 cakes. Okay, this is our answer, 24 cakes. Now let's move on to part B. At what time would oven B complete the order of baking the 540 cakes? Now I want to remove the cakes baked for the first 30 minutes, which is 28, because this is completed by both oven A and B. Okay, 512. Now we know that oven B bakes 16. Okay, here. Oven B bakes 16 cakes in half an hour. So B in 1 hour equals to 2 times 16, that's 32 cakes. Alright, so let's take 512, which is the number of cakes that B needs to bake on its own, divided by 32 in 1 hour. Okay, 512 divided by 32, that's 16 hours. Which means that from 8:30 onwards, B will need 16 hours to finish baking. Okay, now let's find what time it will end. This is 8:30. Okay, in 12 hours, 12 plus 8:30, that's 20:30. That's 8:30 in the evening. Alright, another 4 hours, because we need 16, right? 12 plus 4 is 16. This will be 24:30, but given that there's only 24 hours in a day, it becomes 0030. Alright, so now this is our answer, 0030. This is the time that B will complete the order.